Hey, on the road, bringing us to Cary, Illinois today, to a place called Wool Street. Gonna see a band called Axe Grinder. Now, with a name like Axe Grinder, you would kind of think they were European metal, smash the instruments up kind of band, but nah, they're basically just a cover, classic rock cover band from around here, and here's a little bit of them. Enjoy. Thanks to Wayne from Going South for helping out with some vocals for the Axe Grinder boys, and Kevin joining in on guitar. This is On the Road with Willie for Coffee with Jeff, and we're going to leave you with a little bit of Axe Grinder on the way out. This one's for my mom. I'm not really a big country fan, but this is one of her favorites. See ya.